Students, our next topic is magnetic field due to infinite long straight wire carrying current. Consider an infinite long straight wire lying in the plane of paper. Let I be the current flowing in the wire in the direction x to y. A magnetic field is produced which has same magnitude at all the points which are at equal distances from this current carrying wire. This means magnetic field has cylindrical symmetry around the wire. Let P is a point at a perpendicular distance r from the wire and B is magnetic field at point P. This magnetic field will be acting tangentially to the magnetic field line passing through P. Now consider an Amperian loop which is a circle of radius r whose center lies on the current carrying wire and plane of this Amperian loop is perpendicular to the plane of paper and point P lies on this Amperian loop. Now the magnitude of magnetic field at all the points on this loop is same because all these points are at equal distance from the current carrying wire. The magnetic field at P will be acting along tangent to the circumference of the loop at point P. Magnetic field at point P will be along tangent to this Amperian loop at point P. Now we shall integrate the loop anti-clockwise. Then B vector and dl vector are acting in same direction. Dl vector is a small line element of the Amperian loop. The line integral of magnetic field around the closed loop is B dot dl integral over the closed path. As B and dl vector are acting in same direction, therefore angle between them is 0. Cos 0 is 1, therefore we can write this as B is constant, therefore it is taken outside. Now the integral of dl over a closed path, this is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to circumference of the Amperian loop. Using Ampere's circuital law, B dot dl integral over the closed path is equal to mu naught I. Here current I is in positive sense. Current I is taken as positive. Now B dot dl integral over the closed path, this is equal to B into 2 pi r, this is equal to mu naught I. Taking B this side, 2 pi r to another side, B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Multiplying and dividing by 2, we get mu naught 2I upon 4 pi r. This is the magnetic field at a point which is at a distance r from the infinite straight wire carrying current. From this result, we make the following conclusions: that all the points which are at same distance r from the infinite wire, they have same magnetic field because mu naught 2I 4 pi they are constant. Therefore, magnetic field due to a current carrying infinite wire has cylindrical symmetry. Second, the direction of magnetic field at every point on this circle, this is along tangent to that point on this circle. Magnetic field at every point on the circle is along tangent to that point. Also, the lines of constant magnitude of magnetic field, they form concentric circles. At all the points on this circle, magnetic field is same. At all this point on this circle, magnetic field is same, but magnetic field at this circle is different from magnetic field at this circle because here r and here in the second case the r are different. Therefore, magnetic field has constant magnitude at all the points on a circle, and the lines of constant magnitude of magnetic field, they form concentric circles. These circular lines are called magnetic field lines. They have no starting or ending point, whereas electric field lines, they have starting point at positive charge and ending point on negative charge. Therefore, electric field lines have end points, but magnetic field lines have no starting and ending point. Third, This expression for magnetic field due to a current carrying wire, this provide theoretical proof of Oersted experiment. Further, though the current carrying wire is infinite, but at a point which is at some finite distance, from this wire, the magnetic field is not infinite, but it has some fixed value, and B is inversely proportional to R. This means when the distance of the point from wire decrease, then magnetic field increase. यहाँ पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कम है, यहाँ पर और ज़्यादा है, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा है, और ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे आर कम हो रहा है बी बढ़ रहा है.